Alright guys, so I just woke up and I was trying to sleep in, but I just woke up because, you know, my new friend, he's my roommate since I lived alone. He's snoring so loud. Do you hear that? That is so loud. He's like, oh. Should I wake him up? Gordon.
What the heck, bro?
You're snoring so loud, and I told you we're trying to sleep in today.
Well, you messed up my sleep schedule.
He won't stop snoring. But anyway, bye guys.